Okay, so we're working on being able to simplify expressions that have exponents. These skills, those laws of exponents, they will greatly help you in high school math and if you go on to college math. Greatly help you. So it says simplify each expression below, then evaluate. What type of problem is problem A?
A double.
Yeah, it has a double exponents.
Oh, yeah.
So what is that called? Anybody remember? No, what type of problem is this? This is a.
Oh.
Guys, you're supposed to have wrote it down on the last 2 days of Bellringers. What is this problem called? Okay, this is called a power to a power.
I'm already
Because it has two exponents. So it's 2 raised to the third power raised to the fifth power. So to simplify it, I'm going to write down my base. And now, what am I going to do to my exponents? Multiply. So I'm going to show right here where the exponents goes. I'm going to do 3 times 5. And then I'm going to actually multiply those out. So to simplify this, and doesn't this look a lot nicer or a lot neater than a power to a power? Yeah. Trust me, this will help you a lot in high school. Math. Then to evaluate, you're just gonna put in your base number, and since I've let you start using that blue button, you're gonna push in the raise 2 button, and then put in your exponent, and then 2 to the fifth power equals what?
3, 2, 7, 8, 6, 68. 7, 68.
Thank you. Yeah, I definitely don't want to do that in my head today. Are we okay with this? Remember, 2 to the fifth power just means 2 times 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 2. That button allows you to do all that really fast. Okay, what type of math problem is this? Multiplication problem, and when we're multiplying with exponents, the law of exponents says we can do what can we do to the exponents? Add them. So first of all, what is the base in the first term?
3,
The base.
7.
7,
What is the base in the second term?
7,
What's the base in the third term?
7.
Are they all the same?
Yes.
You can only simplify the laws of exponents by using the same base. If the bases are different, you can't do it. So since these all have the same base, I'm gonna write my base number down, write down my first exponent, my second exponent. I don't have an exponent.
1.
Put a 1 there. Good job. And then I'm gonna do +1. So keep my base. -3 plus 4 plus 1 is
Positive 2, right?
+2. Seven to the second power just simply means 7 times 7, and I hope you can do that in your head. What is 7 times 7? 7 times 2 is 14. 7 to the second power means 7 times 7. So please use your brain when you can do that. This calculator, good job using your calculator. Here, use your brain. 7 to the second power just means 7 times 7. Okay, problem C, what type of problem do we have? A division problem. So when we're dividing with exponents, what are we supposed to do to the exponents? Subtract. So subtract top minus bottom. Now the only way that you can use this third law of exponents, what is the base on the numerator?
2.
2. What is the base for the denominator? What is it? 2. Are the bases the same? So now we can simplify, otherwise you cannot. So I'm going to keep my base, take the top exponent minus the bottom. Are we okay with that? Notice we got a negative exponent, and that's okay. What does that, who can raise their hand and tell me what a negative exponent just means? Brayden? It's a fraction. So, very good. It is a fraction. So to evaluate, when we have a negative exponent, remember we got to write it in a fraction form and make the exponent positive. So anytime you get a negative exponent, you have to write it in fraction form to evaluate. Jace, pay attention. 1 stays 1, 2 to the second power means 2 times 2, which is?
Oh.
So this whole messy problem simply just equaled 1/4. Go ahead, me too.